Hello guys, welcome to Computer Science. No, Mr. Tayyib Mughal is here and we are starting a new series of C++ programming basic. So in this video tutorial series we learn about C++, how to C++, and we also call C++ programming. So in this video series we learn all basic things of C++. After this we learn OOP concept in C++. So I write a small code and you can see here's our basic sentence. I cut here. I always use two header files because I need to console.h. I use dev C++. You can see here's 5.11 and you can see here has include iOS team, our first input output stream. So after this we include include conio.as console input output. After this we using namespace std, it is required. So after this we write here int main and print out hello world. I simply run it and you can see here's output consoles hello world. It is our first C++ program. So in this lectures we also cover I write well पढ़ो लिखो science. So I write here well welcome to पढ़ो लिखो computer science. In this no we learn about variables. So what is variables? Variables is a type of different names, different types, different variables. I write here first I explains data types. So I comment it here data types. Data types are int, float, chars, and after this we use string. After this double and long. It has lot of data types, in some most important and most common and most famous. So I explain and start with this. Int for use for characters, numbers, numeric numbers, and float for pointing numbers, and character char used for characters, and string using for all, and double use for long or double values, and long use for long values. Now y explains floats. After this I comment all. I select and comment here. So after this we need to define function variable. So I write first data type variable name, and after this assigning a value. This symbols equal to means assignment any value, assign any value. So I write here assign any value, and you can see here it is a simple type. First we need we now I create age variable, so I write first int. After this I write age assign equals, and I write 20. After this always need to end with semicolons. I comment this, so you can see our single line comment is here, and if you use to multi-line comment, so it is very simple. So slash and stars. After this and here's when to end the command, so you can see our single line command and double line command is explains. So you can see how here's we use int age equal to 20, so it is our age variable. So now you need to declare name variable, so I write character equal to name, assigning name in I assign Dean, so it's simple and end. After this we need to assign floating number, so grades I change it to grade, so I write here's a grade. And now it's time to floor chart, so I explain says marks in points, marks equal to 20.5. After this we need to declare a string, so I write here string name string str stand for string, so I write here name, simple name Tayyib, and semicolon. We'll learn about string in separate video. It is a introduction video, so I explains every data types and how to declare variables, and also how to declare int type for any variables. Okay, it is just we complete made a video on string. String is a very high quality data type, so I explain in separate video, don't worry, it is just intro video. And after this we use int and double, so I name it db int, and write a long value, so you can see as. After this we need to int long, and I says int long and assigning value. Okay, you can see his here's not point. So it is how to declare say variables, and how to declare with the data types any variables. So you can see here's our data type, so I comment start here slash star, and after this star and slash, our multi-line command is here. After this we need to print any and get any value, so I write here cout for print any value. I write here any value, can see. After this we need to command, and now it's time to run our app, so I execute and compile and run, and you can see here's any value. Okay, it is a simple. After this we need to getting value, so that's why we use any two value in type value, int a and int b. So I get two value from user, so I write change it to enter numbers number 1, and after this you can use double double less than, uh, yes, double less than and NL. You can write only NL. Also use it easily to complete end line. So I write NL. Yeah, you can write here slash n. It is similar to this, so don't worry. We need to see and greater than. You can see here double greater than cn getting value from user. So I put here a, and after this we repeat enter number 2, and after this we need to end a line. So for new line, don't worry, for new line create automatically new lines when we run the program. So don't worry. After this, no, we need to add, uh, add it to number. So I write here's int add. So here's we store the value equal to a plus b. So now we time to print result. So I write simple result. After this we need to add it, and after this we need to and you can see here we added print out the same variable names how we went to print. So you can write here same variable name and also print it. It is very simple. So F11 to run the programs. You can see here welcome to Prolico and enter number 1. So I enters number 5, and after you can see here's create automatically new line. So enters here's number 2, I enter 10. You can see here's result and create automatically new line. You can see here's result is 1 5. So it is our intro videos and how you can learn data types, variables, and how to get value from users, and how to display value, and how to display variables directly. After this video, next video we learn more basic things. See you next video. If you like this channels, please subscribe, click on the subscribe buttons, and also click on icon buttons, alarm button for notifications when we add new video. You can see first. Allah Hafiz.